Hi and welcome. I'm Sarah. I'm an artist and a creative business coach. Thanks for joining. Today, I wanted to chat about multiple income streams and just how important they are for your creative business and the reasons why. And it's certainly something that I have been doing for my whole creative industry businesses, that there is always options to bring in multiple income streams. So let's get into it. Please, if you like what I'm doing, like and subscribe. That certainly does help. And I'd really like to grow the channel so that I can share some more of my wisdom on a creative business with you. So, multiple income streams. By this, I mean lots of different things that can bring you in money consistently during the year. I also like to encourage you to think of different price brackets of when you're adding income streams, and I'll explain to you a bit about that later. So, having multiple income streams mean you are selling different things, different times of the year, consistently all year. So, you might be creating an artwork, and instead of promoting that on it, well, still you will promote that on your social, then it may not sell, and it may not sell for years, but you can use that artwork to create other things, which makes the artwork more valuable, and you are making money off that artwork until it does sell, and even after it sells, because you have the right to be able to do that as well. So when I say price things at different price levels, what I mean by that is that, say you've created an artwork, and it might be, and then you can sell a print of it as well. But think outside the square. You can use that artwork to make something super cheap. For me, like I've got here, this is a bookmark. So that's the same artwork, and let me just show you there. There we go. As a bookmark. So these I sell for $5.95, or at times I'll even give them away, because it's got my name on it. It's my artwork, and my website, and I also have a QR code on that, so it takes them straight to my website. So if they're really interested in the artwork or something similar, they can look there. So these, I find they're great. They don't cost me much to produce, and I'm happy to give them away, perhaps as a freebie or to get someone onto my email list. I'll use something like this. It doesn't cost me anything other than a postage stamp to post it out to somebody, which I think is very cheap advertising. And they've got something. They're also using it inside. It also has my website and contact details inside it. So they're using that as a bookmark. But they've also got all my contact details right there in front of them. So that is the cheapest thing I sell at $5.95. So other things that I do sell in the same artwork. Let me just show you this. These are my journals. So that is the same artwork. Show you there. There you go. Same artwork that I've recreated onto a journal. So there's that. This is a journal that I've got on Amazon that I've put together. So it's the same artwork inside, and every page has an affirmation on it. So they're a beautiful journal. I'm really happy with those. Let me just show you another one. This is another artwork. This one you'll actually see I use that artwork on my a lot of my advertising and on my website, and it's also on the phone that I'm filming on. I would show you that, but my phone case is also the same artwork on that one. So there's that, and then that's that journal. So same artwork on that journal. Show you inside. There you go. Beautiful roses, loose roses. It's one of my favorite artworks. That one is actually sold. So the actual artwork is hanging on somebody's wall, but I'm still making money out of it. The journals sell well. They're on Amazon, and the phone cases as well. So what I'm saying to you is multiple income streams. So you might have a customer that might only buy a bookmark from me, $5.95. That's great. I appreciate every sale, no matter how big or how small. They may go on to perhaps buy a journal next, which is a little more expensive, or a print of the original artwork, or the original artwork, or they may buy other things. So therefore, they're repeat customers. They're worth a lot of money to you. They're coming back time and time again, and one day they may turn into buying a really big, expensive artwork. It's about keeping your business, growing your foundation, and your know, like, and trust factors with your customers. So there's nothing better than a repeat buyer. They come back and they love you. They love what you do, and it's all money. It's all money coming in. So other options for things for multiple incomes streams: artworks, of course, original artwork, prints, tea towels, cups, journals, phone cases. You can put your art onto t-shirts by using online places, where print on demand places like Printify, Society 6, Gelato, I think, is another one. There's quite a few. So if you wanted to know more about that, reach out. We can do a one-on-one session. I can help you with some ideas and how to set things up. I sell on quite a different few platforms as well. So I'm looking at Etsy, my website, Made It, eBay, those sort of things. I want you to also start thinking about seasonal products. That Christmas time for me, I paint a range of premium glass baubles that I sell every year. My customers know that they'll be available next year and the year after, and they build their Christmas presents around that, which is great. That Christmas sales set me up for the beginning of the year, which is great. It's something that ticks over nicely. I start working on it August or so, and then we build on that through to Christmas. So what you also need to think is, what works so well at Christmas time? How can I adapt that to sell all year round? So that's when I came up with the idea of the glass candle holders. Still a very premium product, looking at glass, and it's on a beautiful hanger, but hand painted. And there again, it comes in a box, beautifully packaged, with my branding all over it, so they can't miss it. So therefore, if they love the artwork on there, they might go to your website, they might buy a journal or a print or an original artwork. So it's all about building from maybe a very small customer to building a rapport with your people, and building up from there, getting more and more sales and consistent sales all year round. And it also keeps things interesting. So every day I'll be selling things, but it's always something different. And I enjoy that as well. So I want you to start thinking about multiple income streams for your business, what it might look like for you, what you might like to sell. And if you want to work with me further, my mentoring sessions are available. They're in the link below. Or just reach out and we can have a chat. Love to chat about business, and especially creative businesses. So I just want to see you thrive and prosper and make a great business for yourself. So that's about it. If you want to know more, reach out. Multiple income streams are super important for anybody's business. So if you would like to know more, reach out. Otherwise, like and subscribe if you can, and we'll see you next time. See ya.